What the is this shit? What happened last night, yo? Right now we just done lollipop, we shell it down like a bad people. Jerry, tell him what's going on, tell him what's going on.
It's shot, man, isn't it?
It's shot. You have to come the next lollipop car, you got the boss, you come. Them say, next sugi lollipop. They must come, next lollipop.
Not decided.
Next.
Not decided. Not decided next.
Oh, sure decided. So, we forward still, isn't it? You come out of the girl if you want to dance a Japanese girl and wind up yourself and all them things there. Link Yuka Sensei, Yuka Senpai.
Yuka Senpai, yeah.
Yeah, next event, Nagoya, September 3, Jamaica Festival, up. Yeah. Get on. My chips crew. My chips, chia chips. None chips, what? Banana chips. None chips. Banana chips, what?
Banana chip.
Honey chips and Sayumi chips. Hayaki. Andale. And this is, I don't know her name. And it's like a bad man. Yari, next Yari in that place. Up and then lollipop. Okay. Dekiru, Kuchiwa, Chichai. Dekiru. Oh, Zimbo. Typhoon, big up yourself now, up there. Big dancer for my chicken here, Tokai. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Coco pam.
Dancers, people that are there. If you find that, I'm picking out the feather. No man, my man, better when they go up the ladder. Money man, I pick up get the cheddar. If you like